I welcome to all to the course of repair and rehabilitation of structures. So, in this subject, in this session, I want to discuss about one of the topic in Unit 1, that is maintenance and the types of maintenance in the structures. See, before going to discuss about the what is maintenance and what are the types of maintenance, see what are the factors affecting for maintenance. So before going to discuss about the maintenance topic, let us know first what are the definition of repair and rehabilitation of structures. See, first, what is repair? Repair is nothing but it is the process of restoring the damaged or deteriorated or broken structures. So simply that is called a repair. If any structure, so damages will be happen. So whether the damages will be partly or whether the damages will be completely, see what type of repair is required for partly or what type of repair is required for completely. So those are comes under the group of repairing techniques. But here the concept repair is nothing but it is the process of restoring the damages. See, are restoring the deteriorated or broken into good condition. So for that purpose we require some techniques to restoring the damaged structures. And also the next one, rehabilitation is nothing but it is the technique to restoring the structure to its original service level. To restoring the structures to its original service level, which means any structures nowadays, the whenever the uh, increasing the lifespan of the structures. So nowadays automatically every structures the lifespan is decreasing due to various conditions. For example, due to environmental condition and due to increasing the loading condition or due to temperatural condition. So these conditions the lifespan of the structure will be reducing. So in rehabilitation techniques, by using these techniques we can increasing the lifespan of the structures. See, for that purpose what we need for the techniques, so those will be discussed in the rehabilitation topics. So rehabilitation is nothing but it is a technique to restoring the structure to its original service life. Then next, coming to our today's topic, that is maintenance and types of maintenance. See, maintenance is nothing but simply the meaning of maintenance is nothing but it is the act of keeping something in good condition. So how it is something is nothing but it is a building. So how will be the structure is in good condition. So whenever by checking regularly or by observations, so then due to those conditions the structure will be maintained properly or in good conditions. So every structures maintenance is required. So whenever doing the maintenance, so then automatically lifespan of the structure will be more, or the lifespan whatever the we are designing the building. For example, we are designing the lifespan of the building is 50 years. So whenever maintenance should be followed or whenever proper maintenance technique should be followed, so the lifespan will be achieved. Or if any maintenance is not properly followed, the lifespan will be reducing. So that is the simply meaning of maintenance. So it is the act of keep in building in good condition. So by checking or observations, see what is the main objective of the maintenance we already discussed it. So any structure we should be keep in a good condition or good manner. So which means there is no damages will be existing in any structures. See, whenever we are maintaining a good condition in any structures. See, what is the use to maintain a good condition? That is the second objective, to extending the useful life of the buildings. So whenever maintain a good condition, the lifespan will be more. So, and also prevent premature capital outlay for replacement, and also the capital cost will also be reducing, because if you not properly maintain, then the cost also increasing. So to satisfy all the requirements for the purpose of safe, secure and efficient working in the living environment. So how it is possible to avoid the deterioration of physical assets? Deterioration is nothing but change in the original structures. So that is the objective of the maintenance. See, now what type of maintenance is there related to structures? So there will be four classification of maintenance. First one is preventive maintenance, second one is a remedial maintenance, third one is a routine maintenance, and fourth one is special maintenance. Now coming to one by one, what is preventive maintenance? Preventive maintenance is nothing but the maintenance work done before the defects is occurred in the structures. So if any defects occurred in the structures, we should be prevent before failures. See how we will prevent the before failures. See, by proper maintenance and checking whether the design criteria is good or not, and check whether the proper construction is not, and you need to check all the details whether the if any damages will be occurred in the futures, so that will be prevented beforely. See, that maintenance is called preventive maintenance. Next, coming to the second one, remedial maintenance. See, if the structure have damages, which means in any structure damages will be happen. See, after damages will be happen, after damages will be produced, what will we do? That is a remedial maintenance. Remedial maintenance is nothing but the maintenance work done after the defects occurred in the structures, which means after defecting occurred in the structures, what will we do? So how we will be remedial and particular structure, how we will be removing, or how we will be restoring those damaged structures. See, first one by one there is a procedure is there, how to resolve the solution, or how to removing those defects. So there will be certain procedure is there. First, let us know where the finding of deterioration, which means where the changing in the structures, changing in the original structures. See, first let us locate the finding of deterioration, whether it is whether the change of the structure is crack, whether it is the change of structure is spalling of the concrete, or the damage is corrosion, or the damage is leakages in the building, or any patches are patched out, or some falling out of the building, or any failures is occurs. Those will be find out, those will be identification of damages in the structures. The next, coming to the second one, determine the cause. See, once the damage is identified in the structures, so those damages, how the damages occurs. See, what are the reasons? So which reason the damages occurs? Is there any temperatural changes due to rain, or due to hot temperature, or any humidity, or due to some loading conditions, which means design criteria, or it may be a construction, improper construction. So you need to check all the details, or what are the reasons for the damages in the structures. After identification of damages in the structures, what are the reasons? Then next, coming to the evaluating the strength of the existing structures. Once the damages occurs, now you need to check whether the damaged structure, whether the damaged portion of the concrete, whether it is strength or not. So you need to check the strength values. So if it is already damaged, the after checking the strength also it is good, so no need to much supporting for those damaged conditions. So you need to check the strength condition of damaged portion by with the help of some tests, some non-destructive testing specimens and semi-destructive testing specimens and destructive testing specimens. So by using those tests, you need to check the whether the strength or not, whether the strength is there or not. So after checking the strength, evaluating the need of the structures. See the building, the structure, it is what purpose the building is constructed. So based on the purpose of the structures, the strength is within the recommendations or not. So within the ranges or not. You need to check the strength of the. You need to check the need of the structures. So for that purpose, strength values is required. And the next last one, after checking the need of the structures and recommended values of strength. So now if the structure is not is recommended, or if the structure is loses its strength, so now this time, now you choose the selection of materials and implementing the repair procedure. After knowing there is no strength in the recommendation value, now applying a selected repair material. Now now using of selecting repair material, we achieve some strengthening. So based on the repair procedure is there, so based on the repair procedure, applying repair material, then achieve the strengthening of the structures. See, after completion of the second type of maintenance, so the third maintenance is routine maintenance. See, in routine maintenance means it is the service maintenance attended to the structure periodically. See, for example, for 6 months, see what is the behavior of the structures, or for 1 year, what is the behavior of the structures. So you need to check the periodically, or you need to check the service maintenance, whether it is in service condition, or whether the structure is in not service condition. You need to check regularly or periodically. See how what are the factors depending on this routine maintenance. So and material of the structure, purpose, intensity and condition of use. So these are the some basic parameters or factors involved in the routine maintenance. And the last fourth one is special maintenance. So in special maintenance, only under the special condition only, which is the major structures, and those special condition will be implemented those structures and performed and rectify heavy damages. If any structure occurred heavy damages, so based on the condition, so we require a special maintenance. So these four are the maintenance and maintenance types. One is preventive maintenance, second one is remedial maintenance, third one is routine maintenance, and fourth one is special maintenance. Then after discussing the types of maintenance and maintenance definition, let us know what is the importance of maintenance regarding various inspections. So by proper maintenance is done, then what will be achieving, which means improve the life of the structures. We already discussed it. When we are maintaining properly, the lifespan of the structure is more, and improve life period, it gives better return on investments. So the economical wise also it will be improve the life period and better appearance. So when we are properly maintenance, it will be always a better appearance and aesthetically appealing, and leads to quicker detection of defects and remedial measures. So we have a remedial measures are there. So based on our usage of those remedial measures, we can easily detect the whatever the damages in the structures and prevent major deterioration that leads to collapse. So we already know that if any major damages is there, so that leads to collapse of the structure or collapse of the building. So we need to prevent a major deterioration or major damages beforely. That is in preventive maintenance. Those are will be discussed, and ensure safety to the occupants by providing all these, by maintenance, by following all rules, by following all the recommendations and strength categories. So whenever the all is good, so it ensure that safely to the occupants, and also ensure that feeling of confidence by the users. So this is the maintenance, and types of maintenance, and what are the importance maintenance of various aspects. And maintenance is a continuous cycle. It is not a it is not a period, it is not a interminate manner. So it is a continuous manner always, which means up to lifespan of the structure it will be continuously monitoring or continuously maintain the structures, whether the all parameters are good not. If any smaller damages will be occurs, so you need to repairing those smaller damages. If you are not repairing those smaller damages, which leads to the heavier damages, and also extending the damages also. See, whenever continuation cycle is there, so what are the parameters you need to monitor? All the parameters structural, related to electrical wiring, plumbing of water supply, sanitation, finishing of floors and walls and roof terrace, surface, platform, lifts and door, windows and other elements. So these factors must and should be checked and monitor in the continuous manner. In any structure these parameters are every time you need to check all these things. See, what are the various aspects of inspections? So this is related to some observations. Inspection is nothing but observation of the structures, observation of the buildings. See, what are the various aspects? We already discussed maintenance will be daily routine maintenance, weekly routine maintenance, monthly routine maintenance and yearly routine maintenance. So you need to monitor all these in routine maintenance. You need to check daily or weekly and monthly and yearly. So when we are monitor all these parameters, then to enhance the lifespan of the structures. So this is about the today's session topic, maintenance and types of maintenance, and what is the importance of maintenance, and what are the various aspects of inspection.